Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys fingerprint setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you add your fingerprint lock. Guys you have guys your one fingerprint lock. Guys you want to add guys two, three, four like that. So you can add it. And guys now let's see how to add fingerprint lock in our Samsung phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting with the friends I want to tell you guys if you need my channel. So guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's see how to add fingerprint. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to add it. Then guys scroll it. Guys click on your biometrics and security setting. So guys tap here. Then guys click on your fingerprint setting. And guys draw your pattern, which pattern you have. And guys you can see add fingerprint. Tap here to add. So guys scan your finger. So guys, which finger guys you have used guys? I have used guys this finger, and guys I want to add my thumb fingerprint. So guys I will, and guys now let's see guys you want to add guys this thumb fingerprint, so guys you can add it. So guys, we will take it, and guys you can see guys this sensor. So guys we will tap here and touch and remove guys different move guys. As you can see done. So as you can see guys we have these two fingerprints. So as you can open your phone with your thumb, and as you can open your phone with your finger. So like that guys you can add your fingerprint in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to add fingerprint in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.